Hey, what's going on? I want to show you a couple things. While taking off this blades, this is turning into something much more involved. You can see over there is where the left side blade, it came off fine, and this is the right side blade, and that's one of those blades right there. Other one's on the other side. Now this one, you can see here, this bolt head is basically completely stripped. So I'm going to try to get a few different tools on this. This isn't going to be really easy to take off. This is just becoming much more time consuming here. Just having to take this off. The deck might actually have to come off. I'm not sure yet if I can get to it. Use multiple tools to try to get this off already, and just gonna have to start getting creative here. Another thing while we're down here is that, and I'm finding parts and pieces all over this deck here, washers and spacers and stuff like that. I don't know if you guys have actually been using this to cut grass at all. If it ever worked. I guess he had a belt on it, but anyway, this, I don't know if you can see the spindle here and how that pulley is kind of moving up there, and I'm going up and down with it now. See that play that's in there? And down here also. Okay, this is just a sign of bad bearings within that spindle. It could be the whole spindle's bad. It'll work, but the more it's spinning around and around, you know, the more wobbly this thing's gonna get. Eventually it might fail. But I mean, you can keep it if you want to. It's just gonna be your choice what you want to do. But right now it's gonna take some time to try to get this thing loose, and might actually have to take the deck completely off, turn it upside down to be able to work on it. I was hoping to be able to just loosen the bolt and take this blade off to sharpen it, but that's not happening. And the blade's pretty dull. I mean, you can tell it hasn't been serviced in a while. It's really bad looking, the blade. I don't know if you can see the edge of that thing. Might not focus, not sure. Anyways, yep, so that's where we're at. Gonna take a little more time. That's just almost completely rounded off, like somebody tried to take it off before but just stripped it and decided not to take the blade off.